what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and if you're into Huck's World, and today we got an awesome watch face for you all to check out. Yes, it is hump day. We're going to get over the hump pretty quickly here. Just continue to grind hard. Trust me, it's going to be over with soon. Now listen, finally today we got some nice weather for one day only, and then we're back to rain again. But we're going to enjoy today just for today. Alright, with that being said, let's check out this awesome watch face. Now, this watch face is going to be free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. I think it's worthy of a download, especially for a casual weekend wear. Now, the name of the watch face is called Iris 73. Now, if you look in the AOD mode, there's nothing to write home to mother about. It's a simple digital time, but when the watch face is on, I do like the blending of the tones. You got a black tone up at the top, you got a nice gray tone down at the bottom. Now what you're going to get is a nice moon phase at the top. You're going to get nice legible bold digital time. You're going to get your heart rate information, and you get an animated heartbeat as well. To the right, you'll get your battery info. Down at the bottom, you're going to get your steps. You're going to get your step status info, and also miles walked or ran, which is cool for those who are into exercising. Now, I can get my heart rate information if I double tap here. And I pull up my heart rate. If I double tap here, I can get my weather. And if I double tap here, I can also get my step status. You can do the same thing with your battery percentage, but I don't know why you would do that, especially when your battery percentage is already telling you what you got left. So I thought this was a good look for a simple digital fitness watch face, but at the end of the day, always people, always, it is all about you. All right, you all hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this watch face. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button on the way out and subscribe to the channel. All right, with that being said, I'm going to see you all at the next video. Enjoy the rest of your day and or night, and I will see you all again at the next one. Take care.